My dear friends and all the chemistry lovers, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to NPTEL class for practicing solution of chemistry problems. I observe that problem solving in chemistry does not come easy to maximum of the students. So here I am to provide you ideas, and these ideas, I am sure these ideas will help you to solve maximum chemistry problems. Today's chemistry problem is we need to calculate the pH of 0.1 molar solution of chloroacetic acid and pH of 0.1 molar solution of sodium salt of chloroacetic acid. It is given that acid dissociation constant of chloroacetic acid is 1.35 into 10 raised power minus 3. Idea to apply is that chloroacetic acid is weak acid. It will undergo partial ionization, releasing H positive ions in the solution, and due to release of H positive ions, its solution will be acidic and pH at room temperature will be less than 7. And for calculation of pH, first we need to calculate H positive ion concentration in its solution. For that, you must know that chloroacetic acid is weak acid. Molar concentration of H positive ions in its solution will not be equal to its molarity. It will be less than its molarity, calculated by formula C alpha, where C is its molar concentration and alpha is its degree of dissociation. Molar concentration is given, and alpha we can express in terms of acid dissociation constant and concentration using Oostwaar's dilution law. Second idea is that sodium salt of chloroacetic acid is salt of weak acid, chloroacetic acid, and strong base sodium hydroxide. And in its solution, it will undergo hydrolysis, releasing OH ions in solution. And due to release of these OH ions, solution will be basic and its pH at room temperature will be greater than 7, which we need to calculate. And for calculation of H positive ions of this salt of weak acid and strong base, there is a particular formula that pH of solution of weak acid and salt of weak acid and strong base is equal to 1/2 of pKw plus pKa plus log of C. pKw you can express in form of Kw, pKa you can express in form of Ka. We know pKw is 14 at room temperature. Ka of acid is given and concentration is also given. So with these ideas we will practice its solution. Chloroacetic acid, chloroacetic acid has chemical composition Cl, CH2, COOH. Its Cl, its ionization we will show like this. It will undergo ionization like this. It will give chloroacetate ion and H positive ions. And because of presence of these H positive ions, its pH will be less than 7, which we need to calculate. We know pH is equal to minus log of H positive ions. So first we will calculate H positive ions in its solution, and I told to you molar concentration of H positive ions in its solution will be equal to product of its molar concentration and its degree of dissociation. And applying Oster's dilution law, its degree of dissociation we can express in terms of ratio of acid dissociation constant and concentration. And we can simplify this equation as simplified form of this equation we can write as H positive ion concentration will be equal to under root of Ka multiplied by molar concentration. Now we will substitute the values. H positive ion concentration will be equal to under root of Ka is given 1.35 into 10 raised power minus 3, and concentration is also given 10 raised power minus 1, I mean 0.5. On evaluating, we find that H positive ion concentration in its solution is equal to, I have calculated its value, it comes equal to 1.16 into 10 raised power minus 2. Now we will go for calculation of pH. pH will be equal to minus log of H positive ion concentration. pH will be equal to minus log of 1.16 into 10 raised power minus 2. pH will be equal to 2 minus log of 1.16. Since we have to subtract log 1.16 from 2, so pH will be less than 2, and I have evaluated its value. It comes equal to 1.94. Now we need to solve second part of this problem. In second part, we have to calculate the pH of 0.1 molar solution of sodium salt of acetic acid. ClCH2COONa is chemical composition of sodium salt of chloroacetic acid. In water it undergoes hydrolysis, resulting in formation of chloroacetic acid and NaOH. Now idea here is that NaOH is strong base, it will exist in form of ion, so there will be presence of sodium cations on product side. Similarly, sodium salt of chloroacetic salt, it will also exist in form of ions. There is also presence of sodium cations. So sodium cations are common on reactant as well as product side, they will get cancelled. We can write chloroacetate ion basically undergoes hydrolysis in presence of water, resulting in formation of chloroacetic acid, which is weak acid, would exist in form of ions, and OH ions, hydroxide ions. And because of previously I told you because of presence of these hydroxide ions, its solution will be basic and its pH will be greater than 7. pH of 0.1 molar solution of chloroacetic acid was acidic, but pH of 0.1 molar solution of sodium salt of chloroacidic acid is greater than 7, its solution is basic. This is the comparison between nature of chloroacidic acid solution and sodium salt of chloroacidic acid solution. Chloroacidic acid solution is acidic, while as sodium salt of chloroacidic acid is basic. Now we will go for calculation of its pH. Its pH will be equal to 1/2 of pKw plus pKa plus log of C. C is molar concentration, is equal to 1/2 of pKw. We can write equal to minus log of Kw. pK we can write equal to minus log of Ka. This we will write as log of C. Now we will substitute values of constant parameters and given parameters. Kw is constant parameter at room temperature, its value is 10 raised power minus 14. Ka is given 1.35 into 10 raised power minus 3. C is also molar concentration is also given 0.1. So we will substitute values 1/2 of minus log of 10 raised power minus 14 minus log of 1.35 into 10 raised power minus 3 plus log of 0.1. This will, first term will come equal to 14, second term will come equal to 3 minus log of 1.35, third term will come equal to minus 1, and on evaluating its value, pH comes equal to 7.9. 7.9. Let me recall this chemistry problem for you. In this problem, we need to calculate the pH of 0.1 molar solution of chloroacidic acid and pH of 0.1 molar solution of sodium salt of chloroacidic acid. Given is acid dissociation constant value of chloroacidic acid. Idea to apply is that chloroacidic acid is weak acid. It will undergo partial ionization, resulting in release of H positive ions in its solution, and due to release of these H positive ions, its solution will be acidic. pH at room temperature will be less than 7. And for calculation of exact value of its pH, we need to first calculate H positive ion concentration, which is equal to product of its molar concentration and degree of dissociation. And degree of dissociation we express it in terms of ratio of acid dissociation constant and concentration using Oster's dilution law. And on evaluating, we found that pH of its 0.1 molar solution is 1.94, confirming that its solution is acidic and pH is less than 7. Next idea is that sodium salt of chloroacidic acid is salt of weak acid and strong base. It actually involves anionic hydrolysis, resulting in release of OH ions in solution, and due to release of OH ions, its solution is basic. pH will be greater than 7. And for calculation of pH of salt solution of strong base and weak acid, there is a particular formula that pH is equal to 1/2 of pKw plus pK plus log of C. And on using this formula, we first express pKw in form of log of Kw and pKa in form of minus log of Ka, and then we substituted values of fixed parameters Kw and known parameters Ka and C, and after evaluation we found that pH is equal to 7.9, which is greater than 7, confirming that its solution is basic in nature. And if you wish to compare the nature of chloroacidic acid and its sodium salt vis-a-vis its nature, its acidic basic nature or vis-a-vis its H positive ion concentration or pH. In comparison, you need to write that solution of chloroacetic acid is acidic in nature, its pH is less than 7 and concentration of H positive ions in its solution will be greater than 10 raised to power minus 7, and in for its sodium salt you need to write its solution will be basic, its pH will be greater than 7 and concentration of H positive ions in its solution will be less than 10 raised to power minus 7 at room temperature. This is what I have got you for this in this short session. See you next time. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.